in our Azuma service to Edinburgh. First class accommodation can be found in zones 5 to 3. Standard class in zones 11 to 6.
Good afternoon everyone, hope you're doing good. Right now we're at York train station and we're getting the train to Knaresborough because we are going to go explore the castle and the viaduct and the rest of the town, because why not? So yeah, the train doesn't leave for another 10 minutes, so we'll just sit and chill here for a bit and then yeah, see you guys in a bit. Right then, so here we are in the town of Knaresborough. There we are. It's not a big place, it's a relatively small town, but very famous for its castle and its viaduct, which is right in front of us. Yeah, first off though, we'll have a look at the viaduct on the way down to the castle, or way up to the castle is probably a better way of saying it. So, but first let's have a little wander around and just see what Knaresborough is all about, because I've only been here once and I didn't stick around very long and it was dark, so didn't get to have much of a look. So yeah, let's see what this place is about. Look at this view, got the viaduct over there, got this lovely old cross. It's a lovely little viewpoint, this one actually. And up there, you probably can't see it. Oh, there we go. Is that part? There you go, it's up there. That's part of the castle ruin. We've got the cliffs just going around, we've got the River Nid, the great name I think. But anyway, yeah, like I said, at the top of this hill is the ruin of Knaresborough Castle, which was first built in 1129, or at least that's when it was first recorded. I mean, there aren't many, as far as I'm aware, there aren't many records saying when exactly it was built. However, about 200 years later, it was then rebuilt by Edward I in 1307, but he died before it was completed, so it was completed by the next king, Edward II. In 1312. However, the castle was then destroyed by the parliamentarians in 1648 during the English Civil War, after they captured the town, which was royalist at the time, to make sure that it couldn't be used as a fort again. However, after a local campaign at the time, the parliamentarians were convinced to not demolish the main keep of the castle, and instead they used it as a prison. And that leads on to today, where the castle ruin just kind of sits on top of the cliff here. So quite a large squirrel. Something I found out in Yorkshire, the squirrels are massive. Anyway, so let's have a look around. Look at this. The sun's just setting. Well, it would be if you could see it. Yeah, sun's just setting over there. Look at this, you've got the weir, the did. There's mill. Look at your forest over here. Got the town, got the viaduct. Go along there. There you go. And all the lights starting to come on. Well, I've just sat down for 10 minutes doing a time lapse and now I can't feel my hands. Probably time we head back, but before we do, let's check out Knaresborough Viaduct. Just have a little walk underneath, why not? I love these little alleyways, I'll be honest. Oh, here's a bit of a trek though. Right then, so I think it's a good time to go home now. My hands are freezing, I'm starting to get the feeling back in them, so that helps. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for a few more. I'll hopefully be putting a few more out soon. I've kind of missed filming, to be honest. I haven't really done much of it for the last 4 months. Honestly, it got me a bit nervous, but I will get some more out relatively frequently. We'll see what happens with that. But yeah, and so yeah, if you enjoyed this video, then leave a like. Also, leave a comment. Tell me what you think about this video, and also if you've been to Knaresborough before, well, how'd you find it? I mean, it's always interesting hearing other people's experiences, and I mean, I personally love this place. I will definitely be coming back to explore a bit more. There's a few other places that you can go in the castle, and there's a few caves and stuff around here apparently, so I'll have to come back and explore them. But anyway, that'll be another time. So yeah, once again, if you guys enjoyed this video, then be sure to subscribe, and yeah, I will see you in the next one.